Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea lemonade. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 6 black tea bags, fresh lemons for juice, granulated sugar, and plenty of water. Having these items ready ensures a smooth process. We'll start by brewing a strong tea base and preparing a simple syrup, which is key for a perfectly balanced drink. Get ready to mix up a refreshing beverage. Next, let's brew the tea. Bring 4 cups of water to a rolling boil. Once boiling, remove it from the heat and add your 6 black tea bags. Allow them to steep for about 5 minutes to create a strong concentrate. This robust tea base is essential for a flavorful iced tea lemonade. After steeping, remove the tea bags and let the tea cool down completely before mixing. Now, let's prepare the lemonade and simple syrup. For the simple syrup, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Heat it gently until the sugar completely dissolves, then let it cool. Next, squeeze about 1½ cups of fresh lemon juice. This fresh juice, combined with the simple syrup, will create a bright and tangy lemonade component for our drink. Finally, it's time to combine everything. In a large pitcher, pour the cooled tea concentrate, the fresh lemon juice, and the simple syrup. Add 4 cups of cold water to achieve the perfect dilution. Stir everything thoroughly to ensure all ingredients are well blended. Taste and adjust the sweetness or tartness to your preference. Serve your delicious iced tea lemonade over plenty of ice with a fresh lemon slice. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.